In this video, I'm going to show you how to unlock your Samsung A05. But remember that this procedure also works for other Samsung models. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments and we'll be sure to answer. So as you can see, it's asking for the pattern lock and it won't go through. I want to leave a tip here for you that on some models, you will need to connect a USB cable for it to enter into the mode. Just remember that the lock screen will appear. So you can go to the unlock option that I'm going to show you here. So connect the cable. If you also need to unlock your device's Google account, we can do this unlocking remotely no matter where you are. If you need to, you can contact me through the number that's in the description, okay? So leave the device on the emergency screen and you're going to press the volume down button and the power button at the same time. When the device restarts, it's important for you to notice the moment it restarts. Then you release only the volume down button and press the volume up button until it enters the mode. Or rather, let me repeat, you press the volume down and power buttons together, and when the device restarts, release only the volume down and press the volume up. When the Samsung name appears here on the screen, release the power button and keep holding the volume button. Keep holding it until it enters recovery mode, okay? Follow the step-by-step instructions and I'm sure you'll be able to unlock your device. Volume down and power, cable connected. Now let's wait for it to restart. Keep holding the buttons until the device restarts. Release volume down and press volume up once it has restarted. Pay attention to the name on the screen. When it appears, release the power button and keep holding the volume button. As we mentioned before, once it enters recovery mode, you can disconnect the cable. Now using the volume down button, let's go to the option where it says select factory reset and confirm with the power button. On the next screen, confirm again. Let's wait here for the process to complete, and when the information appears, confirm once more. Now just wait and your device will be unlocked without any password. This removes the screen lock, PIN, or any other password you may have set and forgotten on the home screen. When the device turns on, you just need to set it up. It will work normally. Alright, I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you and you are able to, please consider making a contribution to our channel. Our Pix key will be in the video description. And there will also be a QR code on the screen. And it doesn't matter how much you contribute. What matters is your help, your support for our channel. That was today's video. Thanks, take care.